Okay, I'll look to take shorts.
Order
Alright,
filled.
shorting.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, we're currently up 1600.
All right, guys, so today's currently January 5th, 2026, and today we made $1,500 across 3 combines. One is up 1,500, and I just need another 1,500 more to pass. And the other 2 moved to the Express account. So right now we currently have 2 Express accounts. And yeah, I mean, today's trade wasn't, there's not too much to say about this. I actually ended up making like 1,600, and I had to lose $100 on purpose. But then as I was trying to lose the money, price, I guess, slipped, and I ended up losing 180 instead of 100. So I had to crawl back up to that as well. But long story short, we made 1,500. So very cool. You know, I was definitely risking heavily because these were combines, and obviously I'm trying to pass them as fast as possible. Like I said, this is just my method of passing combines. So yeah, but in terms of the actual Express accounts, we're definitely going to cut down on the risk. I think I'm going to still risk 1-to-1, risking 500 to make 500, if not maybe a little more. And depending on how price is moving, we'll do max like 8 micros. So that's the plan moving forward. But basically, let's get straight into the charts. Right when market opened, I was honestly bearish because if you see here, overall, like, price was moving down. We had these sweeps, price displays lower. We retraced towards this 15-minute fair value gap, and at this point, I was looking for price to reject off of it, right? And on top of that, we did form SMTs at the time, so that just made my confluence for shorts even stronger. And then let's just go straight to the 1 minute here. Oh, sorry, this. Yeah. Basically, what I waited for, like, this was beautiful sell side liquidity here, and honestly, I was targeting these lows, but because I was risking a lot more, I didn't need to take the whole move, right? I only needed a little bit of it. So right off the bat, once market opens, price displaces higher, and at this point, I see this as some kind of manipulation, right? I'm looking for shorts here, so I wait for this bullish candle to finish going up. And then once I see the bearish candle start forming, I'm like, okay, now I just got to wait for the candle closures, right? So like I said, hourly sweeps, retracement into this 15-minute fair value gap, SMTs formed. I'm looking for price to project off the 15-minute to target the sell side. That's the whole trade idea right there. And as you can see here, once price started pushing downward, that was when I decided to take my entry short. I waited for these candles to close bearish first, though, just because I wanted to have that confirmation, right? So once this candle closed bearish, I waited for this one, because immediately after it kind of went back up. But after this one closed, it showed a large bearish wick, which gave me confidence in my short bias. So I ended up taking 4 contracts short on NQ, and it resulted in a $1,600 win. So then I had to like lose on purpose. Yeah, and then regardless, I'll just call this a $1,500 trade. It played out very well. But yeah, I actually don't have the other 2 accounts anymore because they closed and they got pushed to the Express accounts. So I'm probably going to activate them today. We're going to continue the journey from there. I think there is a lot of red folder news this week, so I'm going to try to take advantage of that volatility, if there is any. And we're going to try to pass more accounts here. Like I said, this one is 1 trade away from passing. We'll see how it goes. So if we go to our accounts here, as you can see, it says activate Express funded account. So this is one of the accounts, and then there's also another one. The account balances are a little bit different, but that was because I made a mistake. Basically, I took some M and Q trades thinking it was NQ trades. So that kind of like messed up the P&L there. but regardless, it's still up 1500, and these qualify for the express funded account. So yeah, as you can see here, I mean, I do like to full port to, you know, get 1500 to pass the account quick. January 2nd was the account creation, and then there was the weekend. So today is the 5th, and yeah, we definitely took advantage of the moves today, and it resulted in 2 express funded accounts. So I'm pretty excited for that. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know there wasn't too much to say. It was honestly just a quick trade. You know, we had our confluences, we waited patiently, took the trade. Obviously the risk was like off the charts, but like I said, that's only because it's a combine, and my way of passing combines might differ from yours. But at the end of the day, whatever works for you works, right? And in this case, it got me to 2 express funded accounts. So yeah, but looking forward to getting a payout from these accounts, hopefully. I'm going to take it pretty slow. I still haven't decided on whether or not I should be trading with these accounts connected, or like copy traded, or if I should trade each one of these individually. We'll see. I think ideally, if I am going to be copy trading these, I want to, we'll see. I'm definitely going to break even fast on these accounts, because if I am risking 500, then that's basically 4 trades. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you who are still on this journey with me, this is just the beginning, guys. We are off to a great start on the year. And yeah, let's keep this momentum going. Anyways, guys, peace.